My name is Atsushi WADA. I'm director of WADA in the Peninsula. This film is in the short films competition. I am honored to have this film screened in Annecy. WADA in the Peninsula all started about 10 years ago when I saw a Japanese documentary film. It showed a scene of a traditional ritual practice by children in a village. And I was really impressed to see the children didn't seem to be enjoying the practice so much. So I started thinking about a story about the ritual. At that time, I made the storyboard, but after that, I stopped this project because I didn't have time to focus on it. And it was restarted in 2019, and now finally I finished it. This film is based on the theme, what is ritual, what does it mean to grow up. So I hope you will enjoy the film while thinking about these things. Thank you very much. Bye.